Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss how to install Python and run your first program on Python. There are many sources for Python. The most popular one is Anaconda. So simply just open your browser and write Anaconda on your browser Google. Now to open this Anaconda, the most popular data science platform, click on the first link. In products, individual edition, open source distribution, then click on the download your data science toolkit. Click on just download. Anaconda installers, select for which window you are going to download Anaconda Windows containing 32-bit, 64-bit, my operating system, or Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download 64-bit of Python, having Python 3.8 version. Just click on the download. Download is beginning. This is the download will begin within a second, so select the place where you want to download the Python version. I'm going to download it in backup files and compilers, and then open and save. I will download this version of 64-bit and 32-bit both. So just save and the download will begin. After downloading the required versions, click on the installer. Suppose 32-bit you want to install or 64-bit. I'm going to click on 32-bit, double click on the Anaconda 3. So the installation will begin. Welcome to Anaconda 3 220 32 bits. Click on next, click on agree, just for me or for all user of your system, the place where it is going to install the Anaconda 3. Next, and it will begin installation of Anaconda 3. I already installed Anaconda 3, therefore I am not proceeding. When you click on next, the installation will begin. There is no need to think what is going to be the next, just installation will begin. After installation of Anaconda 3, now how to run your first program on in Python, in Anaconda in Python. Click on the start. Anaconda 364-bit is installed in my system. Open this folder. There are two types of compiler installed: Jupyter Notebook and Spider. So I am going to click on Jupyter Notebook. Click on Jupyter Notebook. You need a minimum of 8 GB RAM and Core i5, a minimum of Core i5 systems to run Anaconda or Python, any compiler. So you can install it on 4 GB RAM, but it will work very slow. It is going to open Jupyter Notebook on your browser. This is how it is. It open Jupyter Notebook. Click on new Python 3. It will open a new Python page for you. So this is the Jupyter Notebook, the first page of Jupyter Notebook. Rename it is basic of Python. Rename the file basic of Python. Now if you are going to run your first script like hello world, just write the print and run the script. It will print hello world. There is no need to write the main function like C and C++ or Java. Just write your code and run the program, and it will show you the result of your program. Now writing a simple program like entering two values and adding it. So input is used to input value, enter value for A. Second is the variable B input and enter value for B or enter value for B. Now taking variable C and adding both A plus B. A plus B wouldn't work because Python assign data type after the value. So by default, if you want the A to be integer, so write int with A and int with B. Otherwise it will show you a wrong answers. Then print sum of A and B is equal to comma C. So just run this program. When you hit run, it will show enter value for A. Suppose I enter 12. Enter value for B. Suppose I entered A 8, simple 8. Then it will show you sum of A plus B is equal to 12. Run it again. Enter value for A 23 and 27. So 27 plus 23 is equal to 25. So this is a simple way to install Anaconda and run your first program in Python.